with two bikes, and we are here at the parking lot of this nature preserve, and we will go to Kuya there on the opposite parking. Here we go. Mochi is here. Hi Tuto Jake. You're on the video. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. And this is Manang Joy. Yeah, I have my mask here. Mochi, this is Kuya Mon and Mochi.
I have a
Hi Mochi, say hello.
You want your mask?
Excited siya.
Hindi, nandito yata sa akin. Dito pala, nandito pala. Lagay mo lang to dyan, no?
Yeah. So we're getting ready now. But we'll just take a walk while we are having nice flowers over here. Wild flowers. Oh, Papaling, are you going to bike? Yes. May kayamanan yan.
Yabi ko ba?
Salala yung picture mo.
Salala yung picture natin dito.
O, Tiko, watch out.
Hello mga palangga.
Hi mga palangga.
Date kita subong. Ano date subong?
Today is January 10 and we are here at the
2021.
Nature January. 2021 already. Oh, sige. Doon tayo pupunta. Okay, thank you. So you drop by here and then I'll
All
go.
the way down to yan.
All the way down is. Oh yeah, I've seen it. That's nice. Okay. Oh my God. This guy nag-shortcut. Ate, may banas pala dito at pwede kang mag-shortcut. Okay. We're gonna pee, so... Oh, why it is in yellow? Okay. Not allowed to enter there. Ah, it's so nice there. Yeah, I've seen it. So we're here. Pwede kanyang pumasok. Dito, oh. Sa kabila. Papa. Restroom. Ito na palang restroom. go. So following the trail, you can see it through the dark. Hina po ang lola. Maybe I have to sit here first. It's so nice, honey. Come sit with me and say I love you. Why you keep on putting your mask? There's no other people here around. We're only two. And several people were having a jogging time. Just like, no way. Aha po, alola. Yan, dalawa na kami dito. Ng darling ko. Kiss him? Kiss me. Okay. Ay, ang sarap ng second floor siguro. Okay, let's go. Whirling sound of an airplane. There's a John Hay Airport over here in Newport. So this is it. Garden, wildflowers around. Look at that. It says, please, what does it say? Please stay on the path and do not pick the flowers. Okay, we will not pick the flowers. We'll just look at it and yeah, we're able to see the way here on the top. Bye. Can you take a picture of the video, puppy? Oh, there's a telescope beside here. Try to for distant viewing. How could we have this distant viewing? Over there. Lens to lens. And the sun. Keep watching us. Okay. Can you see them? Papa.